the largest next to the Tennessee Falls. The number of 90 centimeters and the killing of 8 years old. San Dennis is one of them. And for the left hand, turn to go and the right hand for Sassy with the reverse left. For us. And Rocky gets over his number for red, so of the second number. Red, Rocky's own numbers. And he gets the number 9, so Michael Dennis was to 19.
It's showtime! Hello, everyone! How about a round of applause for the wonderful restaurant? Good day, everyone, and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, my name is JB, and I would like to meet my sea lion friends, together with the trainers, one at a time. On your left side is the youngest female South American sea lion that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is the cutest. Oh, what a nice smile. Her name is Ira. Together with trainer Johnny, say hi. While on the other side is the eldest female South American sea lion that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is the sexiest. About the tiger, her name is Sandra. Together with trainer Jerry, say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they are called thin or feather? So let's go, right? How about another round of sea lion friends? As you can see, their bodies covered with a thick coat of short coarse hair. And the whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers which make them sensitive. Oh, what a nice smile. Hey! And you can also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from prey in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing, both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like any marine mammals, can see both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shores, flat mountains with high holes, and they have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. They're strong rock clippers. And now, let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Ira, the cutest. Sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder or steering. And that's the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, trainer Johnny and Ira. But with chasing their prey or escaping from predators, he can achieve a burst speed up to, ready Sandra? 25 miles per hour. And the shooting applause swim. How about the run applause for Sandra? This is yes. Great job, Sandra. Up to your seat. For up to salute. Now this time guys, could you please join our sea lion friends in a salute? And the count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one lap. Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Alright, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Get those rings. And they got it. How about the round of applause for sea lion friends? Great job ladies, you got your big thing. And they asking for red. Alright, winners. After the rings, what next? The balls. So how do you think to get the balls? It's a ball balance. Careful, ladies. Almost there. Hey, and one cut there. Alright, winners, sea lion friends. Let's move it. Everybody applaud! Alright, ladies, show them the side by side. And now believer dancing. Into the water, to the water volley. Twist it and turn it. Nice twist it, Sandra. And around the world we'll go, round and round. Let's go, ladies, show them the boogie dance. Shake bum bum, and the favorite part, the booty shake. Shake those booties. For the winners, keep on rolling. Nice watch. Alright, ladies, show them what you got. And ready your camera. Well, this is the best part. Steady and arriba. For the finale. Steady.